I love the time and in between. They come inside me in a space where I can breathe. I believe there is a distance I have wandered to touch upon the years, reaching out and reaching in, holding out, holding in. I believe this is heaven to no one else but me, and I defend it long as I can be left here to linger in silence. Here that used to, would you try to understand? Oh, the quiet child, he wakes today and he can break free.